If you have a weak core and can't get down to the floor, no problem. Try this 3-minute routine. We're doing it all from a seated position, and it's gonna get your abdominal muscles nice and fired up. This is perfect if you're a total beginner or anyone just looking for a more gentle approach to strengthening your core. We're starting with an exercise I like to call bug on its back. So just use your imagination, pretend you're a bug that's squirming on its back, maybe like a beetle. You want to help it up, get back on its front side so it could crawl. This is going to strengthen your stabilizer muscles, your lower abdominal muscles, and of course your core overall. Very important that you contract your abs so that they're nice and working. It might take a bit of time to get that mind-muscle connection, but with consistency, you are going to get it. All right, up next, we're gonna place our hands over our head and we're gonna continue to march, and we're slightly going to rotate our torso towards the knee that is raising. This is the ballerina march. Again, use your imagination, just like we're ballerinas. And just placing our arms over our head, it's really forcing our entire core, our abdominal muscles all the way to our obliques to contract. We're lengthening those muscles, and as we are marching, we are also getting those hip flexors, those lower abdominal muscles working. And very important, again, to contract your abdominal muscles, but don't forget to breathe. That's one thing that's extremely important. Never hold your breath, continue to breathe. All right, up next, we're gonna place our hands at the side of our head, not behind our head, at the side, just close to our ears, and we're gonna continue the same movement that we did with that ballerina pose. I admit this is a bit more challenging because we are gonna rotate our torso a little bit more, but this is gonna force our abs to contract, strengthening our muscles. So this is very similar to the bicycle sit-up or the bicycle crunch that you would do on the floor, but you can do it from your chair. Now, if you're not quite here yet, no problem. Start with the first one. Start with the second one, and then move on to the third as you progress. Remember, consistency is key. And if you want to be a bit more consistent in your fitness journey, I have longer workouts just like this on the Justin Agustin Fitness app and justinagustin.com. See you there. You got this.